Alright guys, this is Jason again with FPV Model, and today what we're going to give you a look at is we're going to show you the new 3-axis Swift gimbal. This is a handheld brushless gimbal that is designed to fit just about any DSLR camera. So a few of the things we would like to mention is this gimbal comes with a location for 2 batteries to go. Now these batteries are actually pretty universal in the sense that you can pick them up anywhere. They're Sony lithium-ion batteries. Particular model we're using here is the NP F970. These batteries are actually pretty inexpensive and easy to get off the internet, say from eBay or something like that. Whereas we're not locking you into a particular type of battery that is designed for a frame where if you want to pick up extras you're looking at about $150 to $200 for a spare battery. It also comes with a 7-inch TFT color monitor so you can see how you're framing up your shots as you're moving around and operating the gimbal. Now, as you can tell here, we have a joystick. Now there's actually 3 joysticks on this gimbal and they all control the same thing. They control the tilt and the pan function of the gimbal. There is also a little white button on here that can control the 3 different modes for heading mode, a slow follow mode, and a fast follow mode. Now that we've mentioned that, let's go ahead and power it on real quick and just give you an idea of how it works. Okay, so we're all powered up, and as you can tell, these motors here use a 24 pole magnets for the motors, so your reaction speed is a little bit faster. The older model, I believe it was 14 poles. When you move it around real quick, your camera actually loses its heading on it. So it has been upgraded so it's a little more reactive to your movements here. So let's go ahead and change that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it off and give you a closer look. Okay guys, so we're going to give you a closer look at this. As you can tell on the handle here, you have a battery that's in the front and in the back. These batteries will control everything from the motors on the gimbal to the controller, your joysticks, and it will also power your monitor. So you don't have to worry about having extra batteries for all of these different items on here. One thing we would also like to mention is the joystick. It comes strategically placed in 3 different locations, and they're all very close to the handles. So you got one for your right hand here, and you can control with either your right hand or you can control with your left hand. Also on the top we have another joystick. So if you're getting a low-level shot, you can also control the camera from the handle that's on the top of the gimbal. As you can see, the 7-inch color monitor that comes with it is also adjustable, so you can move the angle of the monitor so it will suit the type of shots that you're filming, and you can keep your eye on the screen while you're framing your shots. Also, this gimbal comes with carbon fiber and aluminum housing for the motors, also on the camera frame and the actual gimbal controller itself. So, now that we've talked about the main body, let's also mention one other thing. As you can notice here, towards the top where the camera is located, there's also another housing located up here at the top, and basically what that is just a video converter. You can either choose to use a HDMI cable, which we've done here, or you can use a audio-video input. And the cable just plugs right into you can plug the cables into the side of this main module here and then connect it to your camera. And that will relay the feed to your monitor up here so you can see it. Now let's go outside and take a few shots and show you what it looks like while it's working. Alright guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to give you a quick look at the new 3-axis Swift gimbal. As you can tell, this is a complete package. It comes with a 7-inch color monitor for you to see the shot that you are framing. It also comes with three joysticks for the operational control of the camera. So while you are moving around and filming the video, you can move right, left. You can also move the camera down, move it up, just position it any way you want to go. So what we're going to do is we're just going to give you a look at some of the basic functions and then show you a video of it in action. So now that we've given you some of the basic descriptions of it, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and start recording, and then we'll go ahead and show you some of this in action. So as you can tell, move it around, the camera stays stable. Let's just go ahead and move over here. Okay, now that you have seen it in action, what we're going to do is we're going to take it back inside to the office, and we're going to show you how to put everything together and talk about some more of the functions with it. So we'll see you in just a moment.